There you go. Nice original fender. Looks original. Couldn't really tell. I think they're reproducing this fender now, but wasn't sure. This is a 59 XLH front fender.
How can you tell?
It's got skirts on it.
Huh.
Then I got a brand new one upstairs. That's 59 part number on it.
Oh, okay.
It's red oxide coated, so I know it's 59. Then I go look in the book and it shows 59.
Alright.
So the earlier fender, they didn't have a skirt on. They ended it right here.
Oh.
For Sportster. The K model was the same thing, except they had like a little ducktail on the bottom. I kick back out a little bit, about this far. That's K model. Sportster 57, they just cut it right here. In 59, they added this in. On the XLH, they added it in. On the CH, they left it naked. And then in the 70s, they came back naked, but they changed all the mounting brackets, and they had those brackets. They had 4 ribs in here. The brackets were mounted straight down low.
Yeah.
They didn't have the bottom braces like this. So they quit using the bottom braces in 68, was the newer style. These are 67 and earlier when you have these hard brackets in here. And then we got some bolts here too, look original also. So this is a 59 and up front fender, XL, XLH, but not CH. And I got the brake rod that's got some special bending going on.
Nice.
Which is it.